Hi, I am Atanu. In this tutorial of the mathematics, we learn about the divisibility rule from 1 to 20. First of all, what is divisibility? Divisibility means, suppose if we consider a number, for example 21, and if we want to check whether it is divisible by 7 or not, so we can do the division method, right? So 3 7s are 21. Then we get the remainder 0. Means if it is fully divisible, we get the remainder 0. That is the divisibility. Means 27 is 7 is uh, divisible by 21 is divisible by 7. 21 is divisible by 7. Clear? So this number is divisible by 7. So 21 is equal to, we know that this 7 is divisor, 21 dividend, and 3 is quotient, and 0 is the remainder. So if it is fully divisible, means if it is divisible, there will be no remainder. So 21 is equal to 7 into 3. So 3 is the, so both 7 and 3 is a factor of 21. We can say that. Clear? Why the divisibility rule is important to learn? Because to make the calculation easy, otherwise what will happen every time we see, suppose here what happened, we consider the very small number, the number is very small, that's why means 21, it is easy, we can find out from the tables of 7 or 3. But if number is large, for example, if I told you, can you tell me that 2 3 8 9, this number is divisible by 3 or not? So for this kind of things, when the number is very large, we easily, by applying the divisibility rule, can find out the divisible by any particular number or not. Clear? So now let's start it. Divisibility by first is divisibility by 1. So all number is divisible by 1. All number are divisible by 1. There is no restriction, because you know that if the denominator is 1, we get the same value. Okay, for example, any value, if you consider 2 3 5, if you want to divide by 1, you get the same value. Next is divisible by 2. So divisible by 2, how you can check any large number is divisible by 2 or not, large, small number, whatever. So units digit, if it is 0, the units digit if the unit digit 0 or even number, then it is divisible by 2. Let's give you some example. For example, 2340, why it is divisible by 2? Because already I told you, it is the last digit or the units digit is 0. And if we consider more number, 6 4 8 9 0 4, okay, how you can check it whether this number is divisible by not? Yes, again you have to consider the last digit or the unit digit, you check it, it is the 4 is the even number. So you have clear idea about the even number. Even number is nothing but the multiple of 2. Even number is nothing but the multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. Clear? That is the even number. So even numbers are what? 2 4 6. Clear? Even the last digit is 0 also, that also even number. 6 8. Clear? And the 0 also. So all these cases satisfy the divisibility rule of divisibility by 2. Next is divisible by 3. How you can check it? Any number is divisible by 3? Yes, if the sum, if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Okay, if the all digit sum divisible by 3. Let's give you some example. 1707. So you add all number, what you will get? 1 plus 7 plus 7, that is 15. So 15 is divisible by 3, because 15 is 3 5 ja 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. That is the reason this 1707, this number is divisible by 3. Next is how we can get the divisible by 7. Yes, we can last two digit, if it is divisible by 4, last two digit, if last two digit are divisible by 4 or 00, then it is divisible by 4. I give you one example. If we consider that 23584, 23584, how you can check it whether it is divisible by 4 or not? 23584, if we check it, then yes, it is divisible. 5896, so it is divisible by 4. But how you can check it? By this applying the divisibility rule. So you have to consider the last two digit, that is 84. Now you can check it whether it is divisible or not. And 84, if we divide by 4 and 4, okay, so 21. So since this 84 is divisible by 4, then you can say that this number is divisible by 4. And I give you another example. 4500 divided by 4, what we will get? 4500. Since the last two digit are 0, so it is also divisible by 4. You can check it yourself. So 4500 divided by 4 is equal to 1125. Clear? It is 1125 into 4. Understood? So it is divisible by 4. Next, how you can check it the number is divisible by 5 or not? If the last digit 0 or 5, if the unit or last digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Let's give you some example. If I consider 2 3 5 8 4 5, okay, so last or unit digit is actually 5. This number is 5. So this entire number is divisible by 5. I give you another example. 78480. These also divisible by 5. Why? Because the last digit having the 0. What is the divisibility rule of 6? If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, if the given number, is divisible by both 2 and 3. So from where we get this 2 and 3? Because 6 is 2 and 3. 6 is equal to 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 both are the factor of 6. That is the reason if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, then we can say that this given number is divisible by 6. Clear? So I give you one example. 897 into 6, 5376. Clear? I give you one example. 5376. How you can check it whether this number is divisible by 6 or not? So there is 6, so it is even number. Okay, and why it is divisible? So it is divisible by, since it is even number, divisible by 2. And why it is divisible by 3? You add all the number. 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6. So 8, 15, 21. Okay. So 21 is divisible by 3. Clear? And also 6, that is even number. So divisible by 2. So 5367, this number is both divisible by both 2 and 3. That is the reason this given number 5376 divisible by 6. Next we learn divisible by 7. So I give you, actually no need to remember the rules. Only if you apply on some, if you know, you have to remember through the some example. If you remember through the example, it will be very easy to understand. No need to remember the rules, but applied it. For example, if I give you one example, let's just a minute. 6272 divided by 7. Yes, if I considered a number, let's consider a number 6272. Now what you have to do, you just multiply this last digit with 2. Multiply the last digit with 2 and you get the value what? 2 into 2, 4. Then you deduct it from the rest of this number. What is the rest of the number? So this is the rest of the number. You deduct it. What value you will get? 3. Okay, 3, 2, 6. Again you multiply with 2. You get 2. You get 2 into 3, 6. Sorry, you have to deduct the rest of the number. So it was 3. So 3 2 ja 6. Okay. So it is 56. So deduct the 56. You get this 56. Now this 56 is what? 56 is equal to 7 into 8. So it is divisible by 7. Clear? So you have to repeat this calculation till you get the 2-digit number, because we are comfortable to easily divide any 2-digit number from the multiplication tables. Clear? What is the rule of so it is clear to you, to everyone. Next, divisible by 8. What is the rule of divisible by 8? If the last 3 digit is actually 30 or is divisible by 8, So okay, there is some shortage of space. If last 3 digit are 0 or divisible by 8, then we can say the number is divisible by 8. For example, 3648 divided by 8, what value you get? 460, yes, 456. 3, for example, I give you one example, that is 3648. 3648, it is divisible by 8. Why? Because if we check the last 3 digit number 648, we get the confirmation that this number is divisible by 8. 648, let's check it. 64, then 8 1 ja 8. Okay, 81. Clear? So we just check the last 3 digit number. Next, divisible by 8. Divisible by 8 actually same as, sorry, blue color, same as 3. So it is same rule, same as 3 rule. ঠিক আছে? Okay, same rule. So if the sum of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Clear? You have to do it sum. For example, 6 9 into 9, 4 1 1 2. For example, if I give you one example, 4 1 1 2 1, you can check it that whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. Simply you just add all number, 4 1 1, 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. So how many 1? 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 3 1. So 3 3 2 5, 5 plus 4 9. So it is divisible by 9. Clear? Next is divisible by 10. So if the last digit or unit digit is 0, okay, only this condition will be satisfied, only 0. If it is 0, for example 3250, even it is also 468900, only you have to consider the last 0, no more 0 required, only last or unit place 0 is required. It is divisible by 10. What is the rule of divisibility of 8? Yes, if the difference of sum, even and odd sum is divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. How you can check it? Yes, let's give you some example. So 2 8, for example, if I consider a number 2 wait 28259. So what are those even place number? Even. So 9 is the odd place number, 9 1 3rd and 5th. This is the odd place number. Clear? 1 this. And what are those even place number? This is the even, 2nd and 4th. Okay, so we have to sum the even and odd place number, and 2 plus 2 plus 9, we get the 13, and here we get the This is the odd place number, and the even place numbers are 8 plus 5. You get 13. So if now we get what? If we deduct 13, we get the 0. Okay. So also you remember, because 0 is divisible by any number, so it is also divisible by 11. Clear? So if the difference of the even and the odd sum is divisible by 11, or you can say that 0 or 0. After deduction, if we get the 0, then also it is divisible by 11. Clear? Hope it is clear. Then divisible by 12. So how you can identify the divisible by 12? You have to find out 12 is equal to 3 and 4. So that is the reason you have to consider 3 or 4. If the number is both divisible by, if the number both divisible by 3 and 4. Clear? For example, you can check yourself also into 12. For example, you check it. This number is 150828. This number is divisible by 12. You can check it by applying this formula. Next is divisible by 13. For this, you just remember one shortcut, means remembering technique method. That is, this is actually myself, I remember like this. So 1 plus 3, we get what? 4. So we add and 4, we linked from this number. Add and 4. There is a add and 4. So let's give you one example. 3 and 4. 7254. Let's give you one 7254. Okay. So what you have to do? Simply you consider this 4 and multiply with 4 and write down remain number. Remain digits are 725. No need to deduct. You have to add. You have to add it. So you get 1, 4, 7. Again you repeat this, multiply 4. Here you get 4. So 78. So 78 is 13 into 6. So we can say that 13 into 6. We can say the 13 is divisible by 7254 is divisible by 13. 7254 divisible by 13. Clear? So only you have to remember this way. This is the technique to remember. See, every time you link something to remember some difficult stuff, then automatically you cannot you never forget. Okay. Next is divisible by 14. So 14 you got it from the factors. What are the factor of the 14? So 14s are 14 is 2 and 7. So if the given number is divisible by both, it is so important, both 2 and 7. You check it both. As per 2 and 7, both rule I have earlier discussed. So you apply this rule, you get the result. I give you one example. 8945 into 14. So for example, I give you one example. 125,384. You check it whether it is divisible by both 2 and 7 or not. Yes, it is divisible. You check it. Then it is 15. How you get the 15? Again, you have to find out the factors. So from where we get the 15? 15 is 3 into 5. Okay. So if the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then the given number is divisible by 15. I give you one example. You practice it at home. 156,569 into, sorry, I give you an example, 7,589 into 15. Okay, into 15 is equal to 66870. You check it at home. It is divisible by both 3 and 5. Why? Because 0 is divisible, and if you add together, so 6 plus 8 plus 7, so how much? 7 to the 14, 15, so 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. Clear? So this number is divisible by 15. Now for the divisibility of 16, to remember two things. If the given number, for example, I give you the example, that will be the best idea. 1423440. What you have to do? 1 2 3 4. You have to consider the 4-digit number. Okay, you have to consider the 1000-digit number. So if the 1000-digit is even, here it is odd, right? You consider first odd. So here it is odd. Here it is odd. Sorry. If it is odd, so 3 is odd. So what you have to do? Just a minute. What you have to do? You just consider the last 3-digit number, that is 440. Okay, 440, and you have to add 8. So what value you get? 448. And now you have to check 448 is divisible by 16 or not. Clear? So let's check it. 16 to the 32, then 2, 1 and 8, then 8. So it is divisible. Clear? So it is divisible by 16. So what is the rule? If the 1000 digits, is odd, you have to add the 8 with the last 3-digit number, then you check if it is divisible by 16, then the number is divisible by 16. And another case, if the number is even, for example 12624, so what you have to do? You have to check it. This number 1000 digit, it is even. Then simply you just divide this number. Simply you divide this number with 4, with 16, sorry, with 16. 624 with 16. Clear? So 4 Okay, so what will be the value? So it is 9, 144. So it is divisible. So what you have to do? You have to consider the thousands digits number. If it is even, then you have to divide the last 3-digit number with 16. If it is divisible, then the entire number is divisible by. Then how you can remember divisible by 17? Yes, 17 having the similarities between the 7 actually. So this is the trick. You must consider it is similar as 7. So this way you have to remember it is linked with 7. So but only you have to deduct 5. Okay, after multiply with 5, the deduct with the rest of the number. Clear? I give you an example. Let's give you one example, but remember it is linked with the 7. 1 3 4 2 3 2. So what you have to do, you consider the last digit and multiply with 5. What we have done, 7 multiply with 2, but here we are multiplying with 5. Then you have to deduct the rest of the number. So 5 to the 10. Okay, so 1 3 4 1 3, again multiply with 5. So 3 5 ja 15, again you deduct it. So 6, then 2, then 3 1, then you 5 30, then you get 102, and here also you get it 102 from 17 into 6. But if you forget the table, then also you can do that 5 and get 10 and 0. The 0 is divisible by, or from here also 0 is divisible by 17, and for also from here also you can get 102 6 into 17. Okay, so 102 is divisible by 17. So this entire number is divisible by 17. Clear? What is the rule of 18? Is both divisible by the, here rule of 18, both divisible by 3 and 6. So 18 is what? 6. Both divisible by, no, not 3 and 6, and another 9 and 2. You consider better 9 and 2, because 6 here include 3 also. So better you consider 9 and 2, not this one. Okay, so 9 and 2. If the number both divisible by 2 and 9, then you can say that the number is divisible by 18. Clear? Then what is about 19? Okay, just give some space. 19, let's give some space. Okay, the 19 is, you have to remember, same as 7, but here only you have to add. For example, I give you one example, 141702. What you have to do? Already I told you it is following the 7 rule, but one thing has been changed, that is you have to deduct. So 2 to ja 4. Here for the 7 the rule is we deduct there, but here we add. Clear? So 14174, again you multiply 2, then you get 8 here, and you add 5 2 4 1, then you multiply 2, what value you get? 10. Okay, you get the value 10. To remove this, then you get the value 10. Again you just add it. So that is 2 5 1. From here you can get it that it is 152 is divisible by 19. 152 divisible by 19. So 8 you can get directly from 8 into 19, or if you are not comfortable you just bring it down to the 2-digit number. So 2 to the 4, so again you add it, so 19, you got the 19. So 19 also divisible by 19. So you can say that this given number is divisible by 19. Clear? Number 19. Next is 20. What is about the 20? Yes, if the last digits, if the last number end with the number end with 00 20, means multiple of 20, then you can say that the number is divisible by 20. For example, if I told you 4.6 into 20 is equal to 9120. So 9120 is divisible by 20. I give you more example. Into 6. So 789 into 20, you get 1515780. Look into this number. The 20 and 80 both are multiple of 20. That is the reason the number is divisible by 20. Also, if the number is 00, 2500 divided by 20, yes, so if I consider the another number 2500, okay, it is also divisible by 20. Hope this entire discussion clear to everyone, how we can easily find out without the actual division the divisible by this number from 1 to 20. And this video will be posted into the playlist of the shortcut, because more shortcut will come in future. Okay, it will be very helpful for the first calculation. You should remember only some interval of time. If you practice, automatically it will remember. Okay, so this time we'll meet for the next video. This time goodbye, thank you.